Dami niyan eh.
Dami.
It's not you. There's quite a lot going on right now. So it's good to have you back.
Nakakamiss pag Japanese. Gusto ko ka na.
Diba?
Mm.
Sa Easter Sunday.
I'm so ashamed. You redeemed me and I just threw it all away.
Well, that's not much of a redemption if it can be lost in a day, is it?
Pag doon tayo kakain sa may yun sa may ano, sa Tamesa. Legit. Yung yakisoba kakainin ko.
I just
Ay, hindi. Yung ano. Yung in-order na Tita Abby.
Sarap nun.
live up to it. Repay you. How could I leave? How could I go
Tanda
back
mo ba yun? Hindi ko katanda
to the
yun.
place I
Hindi.
was? And I didn't even come back on my own.
Katsu. Hindi siya katsu.
Sarap sa udon.
Hindi.
I just can't live up to it.
Yakiniku.
Well, that's
Ano yun, yakiniko.
But you don't have to.
Noodles
Yan,
ba yun?
tagalin mo. Hindi. Yakisoba noodles. Soba kasi soba. Yung ano.
Give us that,
Yung
which
pot
you
na
already
noodles.
have. The rest will come in time. Did you really think that you'd never struggle or sin again? I know how painful that moment was for
I
you.
shouldn't.
Someday. But not here.
I'm just so sorry.
Hindi natanggal.
Tatanggalin ko. Saglit. Inuuna ko lang.
Na ano, naputol yung ano. Sa tanggal. Bog. Pinatay yung aircon?
Pinapatay ko ng...
Malamig eh.
Lamig eh.
Look at me.
Bakit? Nalalaglag ka na.
Sakit na. Igit na yun.